lot to cook in the van. Hello friends. So I got me a Char-Broil portable gas grill. And in the camper I've got a gas fed 2-burner, and once you heat that up it gets pretty warm in there, no matter if you have air conditioning on or if you're trying to vent it through the roof vent. It gets pretty hot. In the winter it's okay because it heats the van, but I wanted to find something where I could grill outside, something that was portable, didn't take up a lot of space, something simple, easy to tear down, easy to set up. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money on some major grill, and even if you spend a little more on a grill then they get bigger. Well, I'm trying to conserve space, so I went with Char-Broil. And I found this at a grocery store, Kroger's grocery store, on sale for $34. I was looking these up on Amazon and they're about $50–$60. So even if I'm not really happy with it in the end, or it falls apart, I didn't sink a whole lot of money into it. Let's open this thing up, shall we? Forewarned, this grill came with a lot of assembly. I just put these flaps on, which are the legs. They just pop off like that, pop back on. Lifts pretty good. Should fit in the camper fine. Yeah, that might be 10 inches deep and maybe 1.5 feet wide. Perfect fit. Alright, now we've got the canister. Screw this sucker in. Propane tank's on. Push in. Wait a second, light it from the bottom. And it is lit. It says put the pan on for the first time for about 5 minutes. Let it get warm. Melt off any types of paint or anything toxic before I put food on it. And for today's meal and first test, we're gonna do some bratwurst, Johnsonville bratwurst. And as far as our beverage, Coors Light, because I'm a silver bullet man. Yep. I've noticed the difference between a expensive grill and a cheap grill. You have to light it from underneath. You don't have a starter here. You just control the gas flow. And then the actual hood just connects there. It just sits on there. There's no hinges. Just comes up and sits. That gets a little warm too. Now I've also noticed I have to turn it down pretty good to low to keep it from flaming up like that. But for $34, this will work just fine.